I wanted to kind of talk with you about my pregnancy. Oh gosh. Okay, so I do these type of videos on my vlog channel, but today I thought I would just let you guys know how I'm holding up and stuff. Please follow my vlog channel. I do all my updates on my vlog channel. I love my vlog channel. I've been working very hard on my vlog channel. Where is it? I got a new camera for my vlog channel, so yeah. But firstly, obviously, you see me wearing this hair, so you know it is from Longqi Hair. So the packaging that it came in, I don't mind the box, the non-box packaging for this, because of the relationship that I have with Longqi and our new partnership that we have together, Zine. So them giving me that bag, I really don't mind. It's cheaper for them, it's better for me. I mean, if it was up to me, I just want the hair in like the scandal bag, in like the clear plastic, in the clear bags, and like in like a DHL bag, and I'm good to go. Like, I don't need any fancy packaging from Longqi, because we have a new agreement, which on my vlog channel you'll know all about that. So I'm wearing the 26 inches Brazilian curly. It is really light, and I love these type of hairs on me. I'm sorry if you're tired of it, but I really am contemplating coloring either the tips or coloring the closure itself. Obviously, I've been working with Longqi for months. The hair is in tip-top shape. The quality is tip-top shape. Everything about Longqi is tip-top shape. I just want to say that right now, honey. Curly hair, deep wavy, straight hair, those are my favorite textures from them. I don't think they have yaki. I hope one day they do come up with yaki, so I can actually try the yaki. Let you guys know what the yaki feels like, of the yaki straight and stuff. Girl, I love me some yaki straight hair. Like, I'm gonna talk to Longqi about it, and I haven't tried the 613 blonde either, so hopefully that'll be in the cards. But yeah, Longqi Hair, working with them for months, I want to say years. It really feels like a year, like 2017 or so, 2016. So onto my pregnancy. I'm a little bit more solemn in this video. I have a doctor's appointment today. My husband and I decided to go private. The last time I went public, I had Jonathan up by UA, and I didn't know the process of having a child, so excuse me, I watched no YouTube videos about it. The research that I'm putting in now, like watching YouTube videos, asking friends, I did none of that, or hardly any of that, for my first pregnancy with Jonathan. This time around, I've been watching videos. I've been asking around, Googling, you know what I mean? So this time around, it feels like it's a brand new child within my boobs, within my belly. That's the B word. It feels like I never have a child before, honey. It is very different. I am experiencing food aversions, which I never experienced with Jonathan. With Jonathan, what I had was like spicy food, like my food. You know, in Jamaica we have something named Scotch bonnet pepper. Woody, I like cut up the Scotch bonnet pepper, and then I make raw with my food, you know. I'm not gonna go there. I mean, so spicy. And I think that's why Jonathan is so saucy sometimes, but I don't mind a saucy child. I feel like you can be saucy within reason, and Jonathan is like the perfect hint of saucy for me. But it's so we decided to go private. When I went public with Jonathan, I did it up by UA. I'm gonna have to go earlier morning time, so I'm gonna leave put more from about 5:30 or 6 or so, and like I would get to UA for like 6:30, between 6 and 6:30 a.m. So I'd already be at UA waiting for them to open up the clinic, right, to the public part of it. When that's open, you get a number. So the earlier you go, the quicker you get a number, the quicker you can leave. So I'd be there from like 6:30, and I don't leave till like 11, 12, 1. You know, and it depends on the traffic to go up there and all of that. And at the time, we didn't have a vehicle. German was, I don't think German was, yeah, he was here with, yes, he was. We didn't have a vehicle, so after I called taxi, and from Portmore to UA, then UA to Portmore, that's like 3,000 Jamaican dollars, which is probably 20 something US dollars. Yeah, so I didn't know that I had the option to not do that. So now Keisha, CEO of House of Clay Fashion, House of Clay, she said, yo, why don't go private? I mean, I said, go to private money now, where go to? I can't go back road in my condition. I can't go back road if I go private. Or for those who even are Jamaicans but don't know what is back road is where, you know, like I'm just gonna say where the prostitutes are, you know, so you can sell your body. And it apparently makes a lot of money. So I'm like, I'm gonna need a lot of money to do this, and I can't go to back road, you know, because I'm all preggers and stuff. Whatever. It's a joke. I don't know if you get my sense of humor. My sense of humor can be very, very crude and very, very lewd. Anyway, so I was like, I don't think I'm gonna have that money. And then I spoke to German. I was like, babe, I'd really love to do this, but I know I don't have any money to do it. We're doing it. German, no, no money. We're doing it. Okay. All right, man of God, we are doing it. So we did private, and you guys, it is, oh my God, I cannot explain to you how beautiful it is to go in for your appointment, and the longest I've had to wait is an hour. That's the longest I've had to wait, is an hour. And as before, I would get there for 2, but you know, maybe an appointment ran over, and maybe the doctor come in late. My doctor is Dr. Bamberry. I don't know his first name, that's weird, but my doctor is Dr. Bamberry. This hair is giving me everything I need for this video and my self-esteem, you know. So my doctor is Dr. Bamberry, and he's who we're going with. Keisha said, yo, we're not gonna just ask for Dr. Bamberry. And I said, all right then, I want Dr. Bamberry. And I didn't know what I was getting myself into, but she has 3 children. We're on our 2nd one, so she knows what's up. So going private has been such a blessing. We're going for our appointment, and when I do get in, it is less than an hour. So the whole process takes like 2 hours. So I don't have to be waking up early to go to catch a number. I don't have to bring my own pee in the cup, because for public, what I remember when I had Jonathan a couple of years ago is that we had to carry our own container to pee in, because they don't provide that. Even I remember when they don't even have tissue, so I have to walk in my own tissue. You know, it's just like a lot of steps has been taken out of it. I had an emergency the other day. Did I share this on my vlog channel? Yes, I did. So liquid came from my vagina, so I was showing, and liquid came from my vagina, and immediately I started to cry. I'm like, God, I don't want to do this, because I had, oh my God, because we had a miscarriage for our first child. It's like with every pregnancy, I am watching and just praying that nothing goes wrong, right? Side note, so Sunday in church, Oceans, they sang Oceans for worship, and I just started to bawl, because there's a part of the song says you never fail and you won't start now, you know. So because of that, and then the same thing happened with Jonathan. I actually like water, but with Jonathan a gush of water came from my vagina. But with this baby, which by the way, to be honest, we don't know if it's a boy or girl. The first time we saw something, then for the second ultrasound we didn't see it, so we're unsure. So today when I do my that's the part we're going to know for sure. But yeah, so liquid was just like running from, it wasn't gushing with Jonathan, it was just running from my vagina, and I just started to cry, and I was like, German, because I was in the bathroom, and I said, what happened? I said, baby, liquid I come from my vagina, and I was just hysterical. Then he's like, Simone, calm down, remember this happened, Jonathan, calm down, do not think the worst, calm down, call Dr. Bamberry and let's see what needs to be done. Call Dr. Bamberry, come to the maternity ward. No, bruh, I was like drawing some stuff, and we went to the maternity ward. Turns out it was just like vaginal secretion. I know it's just TMI, but I'm just letting you guys, it's on my vlog channel, we do this is what we talk about, like it's about penises, vaginas, vaginal discharge, like we're good over there, you know. But yes, it was just regular vaginal discharge. I'm like, Dr. Bamber, I don't think you understand, this thing was dripping. He's like, well, yeah, I know. My call Keisha, I said, Keisha, this, I'm just saying, yeah, girl, no, girl, yeah, yeah. So now another TMI, you know how you wear like a panty liners? Girl, I've been bumped up to pads, honey. I'm wearing pads. Panty liners can't hold me no more. They said every pregnancy is different, and I'm a testament to that. Talk about memory lapse. Like normally I don't really have good memory. I think I found things that I don't knowing, because some things I remember word for it, other things I'm like, I've never heard of word in my life, you know. So in my brain I just forget it. So but like the pregnancy brain for me now is as real as it can get. I don't remember, like Jeremy told me a full-on convo I had with him about godfathers, right? So Javis was going to come first because they don't have a vehicle right now. Our car is down, so we're going to get it fixed and sell it. It's a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe 7-seater. It is at the rear, like at the back, in the middle part where the other passengers are, and then at the front. So the car is fully AC. Like when AC on, our car cool. So yeah, we're selling it. It is gold or like bronze, like gold, like light gold. I will let you guys know the specs on my Instagram. Follow my Instagram, but we are selling it and we're going to upgrade because it's 2007. So we want probably like latest 2013, 2014, you know, upward. But yeah, so Javis is gonna come first. So Jeremy told me that we had a convo about godfather. So apparently Bembo, one of our other closest friends, we both went to Bridgeport together. I never remember that. So Bembo and Javis are both godfathers, but I didn't know that. Jeremy was like, Simone, we spoke about this. We had a conversation about this. You agreed to this. I'm like, Jeremy, I'm not trying to be a roof, but I really don't remember jack poop about this conversation. So apparently I agree. Like my pregnant, like I'm just not remembering stuff. That is why if you're watching my what's in my bag video, I have to be writing down stuff because I'm just not remembering. I had a makeup job to do and I completely forgot until the client called me the morning. I completely forgot. But yeah, so with this pregnancy, what I realized with Jonathan launched TEAMI as a brand. And with this pregnancy, I'm recognizing that this child is creating new avenues of finances for us. My mindset has done a complete 180. I'm believing what the word of God says, writing down the vision, ask and it shall be given. I will, no good thing will I withhold from you. Changing how I speak, like everything is with this pregnancy. It's like I'm understanding who I am in God, who I am as a Christian woman. There's a comment on my video the other day, and I'm gonna be doing some petty ass videos, man, like just talking about comments. I know sometimes I will lash out because you gotta keep them in check, honey, and I just lash out because sometimes I'm like, oh gosh, this punk. But let me see if I can find the comment. I did screenshot it. Okay, so she says, hi Lyric, love your makeup, keep up the good work. I want to say one thing. You say you're a Christian, but I don't hear talking anything about the Lord. It's all about material things. While other Christians on YouTube here are being persecuted for their faith because their light is shining for Jesus. Just remember, Jesus is coming back soon. You know that. Alright? So please make sure your heart and motives are right. Please don't get upset because I love you like a sister, and I needed to say this. You know, God bless you and your family. Oh, and the username is Jesus Holiness. And when I saw that, I was like, Lord, you better help me with my heart. And the thing is, I don't want to get to a place where I don't care, because I don't want to give off that energy like, I don't give a shit what you're talking about, girl. You know, there's always truth in everything, in every negativity, in every positivity. There's truth, because they're words. Words have life, which means you can't chat foolishness every day of your life. You know what I'm saying? So this pregnancy, it is just allowing me to see who, like my full potential in God. We have a new facet of TEAMI launching this year as well. I have other things, other companies are reaching out to me, and I was like, you know, so things are happening with this pregnancy that it probably would have happened without the pregnancy, but I'm just recognizing the correlation. Jonathan launched TEAMI. When I was pregnant with Jonathan, when TEAMI was launched, I launched Please Don't Cry Again. God, Jesus, Simone. When I was pregnant with Jonathan, I was very depressed. Jeremy and I were in a very, very bad place. I was in a bad place emotionally, physically, and I cannot tell you how many times I wanted to commit suicide when I was pregnant with Jonathan. I just did not want to be here anymore. And I'm going to be so honest, the only reason I did not do it, the only reason I did not take my own life was because I was pregnant. There's something about when you're about to birth, both physically and spiritually, and if you're not a Christian or you're some other believer, there's something that happens when, just for the sake of those who don't believe in Jesus, the universe brings you, or Mother Nature or whoever, there's an entity that always wants to destroy you right as you're at your birthing point, right as you're going through that process to bring forth greatness. If I had taken my own life, I would not be pregnant now. I would not have launched Pour Me by Lyric, Pour Me Fitness, Pour Me Lashes, and other things will be coming out in the brand. I would not have done that. And that's what Satan wanted. Satan wanted me to, and even you, to stop, to give up, to walk away just when everything's about to come through for you. No, yes, it has been difficult. I've had months where there's no sales and we're owing people. That has happened, but it comes with the nature of a business. You know what I mean? That has not deterred me. Even me going into this new business venture, I am really nervous. I'm like, God, where's the money? My keyboard brush line, that needs to be out for December, Christmas. My brushes need to be on sale for December and Christmas. God, this is all you. This is all you. But my battery is flashing. But with this pregnancy, it has been a little bit better, but it has just been really like, I'm just finding myself in God. And I wake up in the mornings, I'm like, oh my God, I miss you so much. Like, I'm missing God. Like, oh, I just want to be with you, you know. And this is why I'm writing. And even I'm writing everything how I feel. It's like how I talk to you, bro. This pales in comparison to how I'm raw with God. He says he knows that in knit in our mother womb. Why on earth would I even hide anything I'm saying to God? That's just my mindset. As prodigal son said, Jesus bigger than what people say. And that's my mindset whenever I talk to him. He's bigger. He's bigger. He's bigger. That's it for this video. My battery is flashing. It's been flashing for 2 minutes. I hope it doesn't run out. But if it does run out, love you guys. Longqi. That's if it does run out, right? Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I know this video has been all over the place. Oh my God, it's all tonight. This video has been all over the place. Thank you for your patience with me. Again, please support my videos. Please comment and like. It really does support and help my channel. And subscribe if you haven't, both to my vlog channel as well as this channel. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Longqi for life, bruh. Longqi for life. Oh.